So, so my question earlier, I will repeat it. Okay. If somebody if somebody hurt you, you have to hurt them also. No? No, you don't want to hurt them? Okay, that's good. Then you have to tell mommy.
Only boys are hurting the girls.
Only boys hurting the girls? Okay. Yeah, that's
And
true.
the girls bunny too. The boys say bunny's girls.
Mm-hmm.
And
So,
they're not beautiful.
yeah. So you have to tell mommy, huh? Whoever hurt you, you have to tell mommy. Okay, I will kill them.
The boys and also you will be strong and kill the stranger.
Do you want me to kill them? No? What am I going to do? I will talk to them only?
Yeah, and I say the stranger will die or the policeman will get stranger.
Okay.
And she will be lost. And she don't go their
So,
families.
whoever hurt you, tell them, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Don't do it again, okay?
When I get angry with the boys, I say the boys don't share cars. The Gucci, Toto, and Johan.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why I use slippers and I got angry with the boys, the bad boys.
Mm-hmm. So, just tell mommy whoever hurt you, okay? And then I will talk to them, alright?
And just don't kill them.
I'm not going to kill them. I'm just asking you if you want me to kill them. But since you said that you don't want, because that's bad, right? So I will not gonna do it. I will just talk to them, tell them not to hurt you, okay? I love
When the
you.
boys saying yeah, and you get angry with the boys.
I will not gonna be angry. I will just talk to them. But remember, whoever hurt you, you have to tell mommy. And tell them don't hurt you, okay? Hmm? Hmm?
Yes.